To start with the Symbiote CET extension, let's get familiar with the structure of the component tabs. On the top left is a checkbox for GSA pricing. Below that is the effectivity date for pricing. To be sure you're using the most recent pricing, select a date far out from today's actual date. Next, you will find General Tools, some of which are the same to the core function of the software. Elevations function the same as it would throughout the software. There are catalog pick lists and freeform pick lists for manually adding part numbers and specifications. This is useful if you have to add any miscellaneous parts such as casters, hardware, specials, and more. Here you can see a typical pick list and where you would enter desired product information that may not be found in the Catalog tab. The finish summary helps you auto-populate images and names of finishes used in your drawing. Lastly, the weight legend populates weight of product, which can be helpful for freight or installation. The second and last tab of the Symbiote extension contains the catalogs. Our extension is catalog-based and not PGC. This means that the extension will not auto-populate any connectors or required product, nor will it stretch graphics and change specifications. It is critical to understand the product before planning with it. The catalogs in the left pane use tree logic. You can minimize and expand catalogs using the plus and minus buttons. Once a product is placed in your model space, the standard green options box will appear. Here you select finishes and any applicable features. Certain graphics are programmed to snap to one another, typically from left to right. A good example of this is the Ultra Frame and panel connectors. As you familiarize yourself with Symbiote product, drawing it will become easier and more intuitive. Be sure you watch the other training modules for product-specific applications. We're excited to help enable and empower you to draw and specify Symbiote product.